Hello, welcome to this again. So today, I'm going to be installing Windows 7 Blue Core, which was actually the beta build of Windows 8, I think. And don't ask why it's called Windows Vista Longhorn, because I was going to do a video on Windows Longhorn, but it just blue screened. So, let's start the VM. I really hope this is going to work. Or it's going to be this. I'm going to have to make another video. Yeah! Okay, we have the Windows 8 thing. Oh, what is this? What is this? The background's actually kind of nice. Has a lot of shades of... I don't know how you can say that. Oh, that's bright. Well, that's really, really bright. Geez, my capture. Yeah, I guess I'll do the activated one. Okay. What? What? It couldn't find the installation things? Okay, I guess we'll try the non-activated. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to make another video. Not activated. The Microsoft Software License Term, is that the end user license agreement? That's just the same thing? It's a broken ISO? Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get a different ISO. Okay, so I'm back, and I found out I'm an idiot because the one I used was Windows Blue, but that was Windows Blue Edition by some modded creator, and that wasn't the real developer preview. So now I have the real developer preview. Let's restart the VM. CD-ROM. Okay, is this how it's supposed to look? Oh! Your computer needs to restart. Please hold down the power button. Error code 0x000005C. Parameters 0x1110, 0xFFD, 0G978, and just two other things. What? What does this mean? Restart it again. It's gonna do the same thing. Oh! And now it just starts? Okay, so I gotta go, and I guess I'll come back when this is done.
I'll say this now, sorry if you could hear the fan noise, it's really annoying.
Alright, so I'm back. Give your PC any name you want. This looks like the Windows 8 thing, just with no color slider. Like, no more color picker. Let's just do that. Sure, expressing, I don't care. Oh, no. What's a Windows Live ID? Already I'll look, okay. I said Microsoft account. Okay, whatever, let's just say, bruh. Thank you, I don't need to enter a password. It's finalizing my settings. Oh! Windows Developer Preview. This looks like the Windows 8 login screen. But I don't think this guy is usually, like, your face is usually set, like, turned like that. I think it's usually centered. And it's preparing my PC. And here we are. Oh, no, I did not mean to click leather. Can we get out, please? Out? Oh. Oh. So we have the start screen. But it looks the start button looks really distorted. And do we have arrow is the question. Can we activate arrow? Personalize. This is not Arrow. This is not Arrow. Okay, let's see what's over here. What? What happened to my mouse?
It's unplugged, you idiot!
Okay, my mouse is there. So you have to do it like this. Oh, we have more. We have piano. Hello? No. Can we watch it? Hello? Hello? Well, what's the point of this if I can't do if I can't open apps? Let's try to open stocks? What? Well, this is stupid. Why? Just why? Do I have network? Limited? Network 2. Let's go here. Oh my... Dang it. Let's... let me do Super Meme. Super Meme. Go. Oh my gosh, can it display? Ah! It can't display any web page. Okay, I hate Chrome, but sorry for hating on Chrome, even though I love Google. Okay, this better give me Firefox. Ah! Close all tabs, please. We still have the recycle bin. We still have the 3D recycle bin. It's nice because Windows 8, I think, completely abandoned it. Paint play. I wish this would work at... Yeah, it's not doing anything. It had nothing. Okay, at least I have an Explorer, File Explorer. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching, and bye.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like, and thank you for watching. And with that, I'll be seeing you.